Why should I replace my spark plugs? That's a good question, and something that adds a lot of value to your car, the way it performs, fuel economy, something to really keep in mind of when to replace them and making sure you're doing it preventatively versus reactionary. So here's a couple spark plugs. You can see on this spark plug right here, there is no tip at the end of it right here. Now on this one, you can see there's a nice big pointy tip on there. So what happens is over time that electrode is what we call it, wears out, and that causes the fuel not to burn effectively and efficiently. That's going to wear out your catalytic converter, your throttle body. Here's an example of a throttle body. Now this is a new one, but you can see how clean that is. What happens is the carbon over time that makes this plug discolored and all black also gums up the throttle body, and eventually that can cause that throttle body to be defective and you have to replace that. It can also clog the catalytic converter. So you can see here we've got some of the insides of a catalytic converter, and you can see there's little holes inside there. What happens is the carbon buildup clogs those holes, and then also doesn't allow efficiency and flow through that. That can cause runnability issues, and you'd have to replace a catalytic converter or multiple. Some vehicles have up to 4 catalytic converters, so you can get into a lot of expense there due to not replacing spark plugs. The other aspect is the vehicle is probably going to start harder over time. Those electrodes wear down. It's not going to start as easy. You're going to wear out other components on the vehicle in your starting charging system. So definitely a good idea to preventatively replace spark plugs. Any questions, give us a call over here at Carz, Machesney Park.